So this morning, I'm going to take you on a walking tour of the Movenpick Resort and Spa here in Boracay. And we're going to take a look at what this place is all about. And hopefully you'll come and visit here as well. Hey guys, let me give you a quick tour of our deluxe room here at Movenpick Resort and Spa in Boracay. Pretty good size. This is the view from the balcony of our room. Has a nice, good size color TV. And down here is a refrigerator. Right there. And some drawers. There's that coffee. Some cups. Sugar, and it has a nice chair here with a good sized mirror. That's where we put our luggages. It has a big mirror here in the front, vanity mirror, and over here is a closet. See what we got here. You even have a bathrobe, hangers, and some drawers. Here's a safe deposit box, a drawer underneath, and another drawer back down here. And here's the our bathroom. Got a nice rain shower. Right there. Complete with shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. Nice big shower. Here's the sink in the vanity mirror. And let me show you the balcony. Pretty good size. It's 2 chairs and the view of the outside. Actually looking at the back of the resort. Not much around here. Here again is the view, overview of the room from the balcony. And that's about it. You have the air conditioning units on the top here. And I believe that can be controlled. I'm not sure if this is the control for that. I'm not sure yet. We are heading down to the beach. It turned out to be a nice weather. It was raining a lot last night, so we were wondering if it'll stop, but it did stop early in this morning, so we're good to go. Very nice weather right now. So when you arrive at the resort, you'll come to this place. This is the behind me. It's the lobby area. This is where you get dropped off and where you will check in. So let's take a look. This is the main lobby where people get in or check in for arriving guests. And this is the van that will take them back to the airport. This is outside the lobby area. This is also the shuttle that will take you to downtown, back to town. and they have scheduled service like every hour or something. So this is also the outside the lobby area where people wait, sit down while waiting to get in, or you can use this as a lounge. Very nice. Right across the lobby is the cafe, which is one of the restaurants they have here on site. It's currently closed right now, but let me just show you the area. That's the cafe. They have many restaurants here. That's one of them. Beautiful lobby area. So let's go inside the main lobby. This is the main lobby where you check in. It's pretty quiet right now because it's still early in the morning. Right. So my family and I are staying in this building on the second floor. Has a balcony, and I believe there's a total of 4 floors in this building. Most of the buildings here have 4 floors, and what we like about this place is they have so many trees, plants and trees everywhere, and they're doing a great job maintaining them. So this resort has a tropical feel because of all the trees. It feels like you're inside a forest or something. That's what it feels like to me. But then right outside this is a beach, so kind of weird. So let's take a look. That's where I came from. So let's go down here and see what they have over here. Okay, so we ended up by the pool. So this is the pool area, and it is the biggest pool in Boracay right now. Let's take a look. This will give you a panoramic view of the pool. On your left is the market where they have the breakfast buffet. It's a restaurant actually, and this also where they have the chocolate buffet this afternoon, every day from 3 to 4. They have these cabanas. Morning. Here's the view from the other side. On the back, there's also a restaurant. I believe it's the Italian restaurant. This is my favorite spot right here, the Buko Bar, where you can buy fresh coconuts right here. So right behind me is the Market Restaurant. And that's where they have the breakfast buffet every morning from 6:30 to, I believe, 10. And on the weekends, they're open from 6:30 to 11. And every day between 3 and 4 p.m., they have the what they call the chocolate buffet, where they have all kinds of chocolate goodies. So I have a separate video of the breakfast buffet inside the Market Restaurant. So please watch that if you want to go in. All right. So this is the Lifeguard Station. So welcome to Station Zero. This is Station Zero right here. There are only 3 5-star resorts that belong here. So there's Movenpick, where we are currently staying. The Shangri-La Resort is over there on that side. And then the Crimson Resort is on the other side of those coconut trees. This is Station 0, the least crowded of all the stations in Boracay. This is a Lifeguard Station. So that wraps up our tour of the Movenpick Resort and Spa in Boracay. I hope you enjoyed it, and I highly recommend you stay here if you want a more private experience, because you have the private beach and not very crowded compared to the other areas in Boracay. So there's a lot of trees if you like that. It's more relaxing. The staff is very friendly and very nice. Facilities are top-notch, and the service is fantastic. All right, so hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.